Hey everyone, welcome back. In our last video, we wrote Python code in the Python shell. But as soon as you close, ideally, that code disappears. Today, I'll show you how to write, save, and run a proper Python file that you can keep forever. So, first, you have to open ideally, as usual. Now, look at the top left menu, click on File and select New File. A brand new blank window will open. This is your text editor where you can write full programs. Okay. So let's write a simple 2-line program here. So this is my first line and this is my second line. Unlike the shell, hitting enter here won't run the code immediately. It just moves to the next line, right? Now let's save it. So we'll click on file, then we'll click on save. Pick a folder where you want to save it. So I'll just create a new folder in my downloads folder and I'll name it Python tutorials. Okay. Now inside this folder, I'll save this file and now I need to provide the name of the file. So I can name it my first script and you can also provide the extension. So it's optional here. Okay. So it will automatically save this file as a Python file. Okay. So now if I'll click on save, now this file is saved. Okay. Now to run your code, you can simply go to run and click on this run module, or you can press F5 and boom, you can see getting the output on this ideally shell, right? So congratulations, you have just created and executed your very first Python script file. You can close this ideally and now reopen it, and now you will be able to reopen that saved file anytime. So you can just click on this open and go to that folder and just click the file name and click on open. So you'll see that code is now open for you. So in the next video, we will learn about variables, how Python stores data. Hit that like button, subscribe, and check the description if you would like to join my live Python batch. See you in the next video.